We're going to unbox our telescopic brackets for our all-in-one ladders. These telescopic brackets essentially turn what we call our all-in-one ladder or a multi-ladder into two ladders. So this is a universal mount and fits both our trade tough and trade light telescopic all-in-one ladders. And when you've got two ladders, you can turn this into a trestle system with a plank in between, or just simply having a couple of ladders out of one purchase. So a great little addition to cost effectively add a ladder to your fleet. So to turn this into two ladders, we need to first take this apart. We start by unlocking it as though we're going to adjust the height. And then simply slide, watch your fingers. But instead of stopping to adjust the height, we take it all the way and remove it from this ladder. We'll do this on the other side, then we can show you how to add the actual brackets. So to install the brackets, we simply slide the bracket over the extrusion of the ladder and then lock this lock back into place, like so. It's best to do this other one on this side first, makes it easier. Now we can add the other ladder, so we simply do the same on this other side. And lock it off. So now we've got this ladder and the original to create a planking system between them or use as separate ladders on site. So a pretty efficient way to add a ladder to your fleet.